Hello friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. In today's video I am testing HTV Ront fabric transfer paper and I will show you how you can create a full color t-shirt design using just a regular inkjet printer. This is such a great option if you don't have a sublimation printer or fancy equipment. Just print, cut and press. It's easy to use, budget friendly and gives really nice, vibrant colors on cotton t-shirts. As a fun test project I made the t-shirts for my friends who is going to the Backstreet Boys concert in Vegas. So I thought perfect timing to try on this transfer paper and share the process with you. Okay, let's start it. Here are my two designs for two t-shirts. I will do the one on the left first. For this project I'm using light fabric transfer paper from HTV Ront. And for my white t-shirts I chose light colored fabric paper. The best part, you don't need any special ink. It works great with your regular home printer. After reading the instructions, which are clear and easy to follow, I set my printer to plain paper mode. Place the transfer sheet face down and hit print. Here is how our image turned out after printing. It looks really great. After printing, I place the sheet on a cutting mat and load it into my Cricut. I use glitter vinyl cutting setting and let the Cricut cut the design for me. My next step, I carefully peel away the extra parts and leave just my design. Now I have peeled off my design and place it onto the t-shirt. Now it's time to transfer the design onto the t-shirt. First I smooth out the shirt to remove any wrinkles. I'm using my heat press for this step, but you can also do it with a regular iron. Next, I place the design about 3 inches below the collar. That's a good standard placement for t-shirts. I arrange all the letters and image and make sure everything looks centered and straight. Then I cover the design with the parchment sheet to protect it during processing. I press it at 325 Fahrenheit for 15 seconds, and for extra durability I prefer to repeat the process twice. Let it cool down and our project is ready. Currently, let's do the same process for the second t-shirt. This one also has a full color print, but the design is a bit simpler. It's just a rectangular image and I will add the text separately using black heat vinyl. Here I've already printed the image. And since it's a simple shape, I'm not cutting it with the Cricut. Instead, I will just trim the angles using the paper trimmer. Then I will peel off our picture and place the image into the sheet. Now it's time to work on the vinyl. I attach the black heat transfer vinyl to the Cricut mat and cut out the text. Then comes the fun part, peeling the vinyl, which is always kind of satisfying. I move on to the t-shirt, smooth it out and place my design. Then I turn on again my heat press. I press it at 325 Fahrenheit for about 15 seconds and I prefer repeat this process twice. And that's it, our second t-shirt is done. And here are the final result. Both t-shirts turn out amazing. The colors are vibrant and the prints feel soft and flexible. Let's take a closer look. You can see how well the image stretches with the fabric. No cracking at all. I'm even scratching the surface gently with my nail, and the print holds up perfectly. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments which design do you like better. If you have any questions, let me in the comment.